923 Central, and S&P, I mean, they went down to 74 half down here. There's a couple of big prices for bias, and even though they went down to 74 half, in my opinion, these prices are holding. 84 and 79.75, and now they're just making a decent push back up. 69.85 just traded. I mean, yeah, they took a decent chunk out of the 79.75 part a couple of times, but popped back up. I mean, if they make a new day session, well, that'll be a new low. They make a new low. There is some support at 71, but you start probing down in that area, I think you got to look more for maybe some weakness. Below 71, 51 half is well, 71 quarters the price. 51 half is a very important price for bias. There's some support down at 33 half, but the issue would be if they can make a new low here, they might want to take all that support out and try and test a weak low. So keep that in mind. Some real minor resistance up top has already held 87 half. When they came off the 79, and now they're back down here again, putting pressure on it. So this thing's trying to push to the downside. Bonds just upticked. Not much going on in the bond market. Opened on a really important price for bias at 22 and held it. Went to some resistance at 28 that we thought was probably worth a look as a sell, and it's starting to fail. They're trading 01. There is some resistance up here at 05, 06 in bonds, and those are two important prices to help with bias, 05, 06. I do think the 22 is more important, but again, those are something to keep in mind up to 05, 06 in bonds. And and again, we're seeing some curve trade here. They got 5 years making a new low, looking kind of soft here, and bonds are poking to the upside. So, you guys that spread, of course, this is great for you, but for us who like to just scalp it and look for confirmation, this is confusing. 5 years, there's a decent place to buy down here at 25. I'm keeping that in